to this Chandragiri trail. So we are riding in here, and after that we are going Kulekhani from here. So it's going to be really interesting as well. And we have made many videos of this trail already. And because we have gone parked the bike in the tea shop, and we have gone Champadevi walking from there. So yeah, this place is familiar. But after that one we haven't made, and we have gone many times Kulekhani. So we haven't made that video. So today I'm going to give you more information about it. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep loving. From here you can see a good view of city, and it's so crowded. I don't know, it's just like so messy. They are maintaining road, guys. So this road might be better in 1 year, maybe not as well, because rainy season is coming and it's gonna hurt the road, and it's gonna be really landslide, you know. So as you can see, they're making a road. हामी पुग्न लाग्यौँ टी शप, near टी shop, and after त्यहाँबाट तल जाने हैन. After that we go down to Kulekhani. So as you can see, टी shop is here.
I'm gonna wonder how many times the wrong things stick in.
Race to train. So guys, now we are heading to Kulekhani from the tea shop, and we had some chia and chana and potato, aloo, normally Nepali snack. So now we are heading there, and I don't know how long it's gonna take it. How long is it?
No idea.
No idea. Let's see. Road is like this.
Chiklang जाने हो कि direct Kulekhani निस्किने हो भनेर.
Look at this rhododendron, guys. Oh wow! First time in this year we saw this one. First time in this year. But I like the mixed one though. I like pink, white, red. त्यो एकैठाउँमा हुन्छ नि. एउटै जंगलमा कस्तो राम्रो देख्छ भने. It's really nice. When we were going Jiri, we found that one, and it was so pretty.
You can check out that.
Check that video in my channel, Vlog to Jiri. After a long time we are doing off-road trail from Kathmandu to Chandragiri tea shop to Kulekhani. So in Kulekhani we are stopping for the lunch, and we will sit down for some time and again come back. But I don't know which way we are going. Are we going roadway? Ring road, we are not sure. Let's see. Highway, I'm not sure whether we are going highway or off-road again. Yeah, but today's ride is all about off-road ride. People are doing cultivation in this land. As you can see, there are a lot of saag, I think, and mustard growing, and saag, and they are doing kauli. Lot of things are doing, so which is a good thing. So they are not dependent that they have to get it from bazaar, they have to get it from city, big town, bit further, but they are doing themselves, so they can. still on the highway road moving forward, so we haven't reached Kulekhani yet. Soon, we are finding too many sumos now. I think coming back from out of valley, 2 kilometers to Kulekhani. The plan has been changed, so we are not going fully, but we are going to see Bhimpeti, which is bit on top of the hill, and you'll be able to see a good view from there if it is clear, and nice restaurant, and you can sit outside. And road is very nice as well, so that's why we are planning to go a bit further.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Finally here at Bhimpeti Devrali, so it's nice. Road was pretty, a lot of rhododendron everywhere there. So guys, now we had lunch and we are now heading back to Kathmandu, and we'll go the highway ways. Road is okay, so very fast. This small bit is very good, and after that one it's okay. So let's see. This is Kulekhani Dam area, so we are entering from the army barracks. Look at this road, guys. What a nice road. They won't allow to click the videos a bit further, that's why I'm just doing it in here. This is army road, and it's really army entering area, and it's nice way, pretty. You can see on the back side and road and the jungle side, dam is there a bit further. So look at this. This is Kulekhani Dam. So this is the main dam area, and this is army area as well. So you are not allowed to click the video and photos, and I'm breaking the rules. I'm sorry about that. It's really nice and clean, and I like it. So that's why I'm doing it. Look at the road; it's so clean over there, and army will be there in the breeze, and I don't think I'm allowed it, so I might have to close this soon. But I really like the dam. So far. We have really good time, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video as well. And now I'm going to end this video, so stay safe, stay healthy, have a good weekend. See you in the next vlog again. Bye bye.